It would be hard to imagine this clean and tidy modern-day kitchen without a dustbin. Without a dustbin, it would be messy, smelly, unhygienic and hazardous, right? Maybe not, cause over the course of the day, when all the garbage is collected into the bin, it starts to decay and smells really bad. That is why my kitchen does not have a dustbin. You might now wonder as to where all the food waste is disposed. For example, this bone. Well, I'm going to go ahead and drop this into the sink. It's that easy. Isn't it annoying when you have to bend every few minutes to put some or the other waste into the dustbin? Isn't it annoying when by evening your bin starts to overflow and the garbage begins to fall out? Your garbage can start to smell by midday and the mere thought of going near it can put you off. Waiting every single morning for the garbage collector to come and clean up the bin can be quite a headache. Don't you wish there was an easier and much more hygienic way to dispose of all the food waste? Well, food waste can rot very easily, especially in a warm and humid country like ours. It smells and can be a breeding ground for germs and other bacteria. But this kitchen has no such problems, and that is because it has been fitted with a Renova food waste disposer. All you have to do is turn on the cold water tap, switch on the disposer and put all your food waste and leftovers into the sink. Within seconds, your waste is flushed through the pipe. Now the waste is not only out of your kitchen, but it is also out of your home. This disposer can flush out vegetables, fruits, chicken bones, fish bones, eggshells, and other leftovers. Majority of our household rubbish is food waste. Usually, this waste has to be collected and taken away to be dumped. The sites where this waste is dumped pose as a great environmental hazard. As the availability of land becomes scarce, disposing of so much waste is getting more and more difficult. The Renova food waste disposer is proving to be a great use in controlling this quickly growing problem. The waste from the Renova can be treated and used as agricultural fertilizers. Now let me show you how this amazing product works. The food waste is flushed down the sink along with the cold water supply. It drops down the chamber onto a revolving metal plate. The spinning action forces the waste against the outer wall. Within no time, the waste is ground into fine particles, small enough to pass through tiny holes in the plate. It then flows down the drain into the sewage system. No sharp objects, no cutters, so no chance of an injury. The disposer is soon becoming among the most important appliances in a regular kitchen. It is hygienic, user-friendly, eliminates foul smell, is extremely safe, dependable, and helps in solving a huge environmental issue, especially in the urban areas. Renova comes maintenance-free. Just install and forget. It can be installed on almost any kitchen sink and it doesn't take much space. There are models to suit everyone's purpose. Once you use it, you can never do without it. It is the answer to overflowing smelly garbage bins. Once installed, all your smelly food waste and leftovers will vanish within seconds. The Renova is easy, hygienic and an environment-friendly way to solve the growing problem of food waste disposal. So let us enjoy a clean and healthy kitchen. Get your Renova food waste disposer today.